another video. I'm about to make some breakfast. I'm talking about big breakfast. Big breakfast over here. And if you want to, we can challenge this big breakfast. That's for anybody, y'all. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, run this video up. Most importantly, like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, you feel me? But until then, we're about to get into this video, so stay tuned. I'm just about to cook this breakfast. Let me lower y'all down to see. So, okay, so I'm just about to make some pancake sausage, eggs. Cut up me some strawberries. I got some bananas, but they not ready, so I'm not gonna use those. And then, you know, we just about to, and for y'all that's gonna be asking about this soap right here and the water, you know, because you gotta wash as you go. And yeah, I just got a ring light, so yay. You know, I'm trying to do this damn thing. So yeah. Let's get into it. I guess I cook some sausage first. Yes, my hands are washed. I also just got out the shower. But my hands are washed, so yeah. Let's see. Gotta let that get hot some more. Okay. Let's go ahead and stick this up on there. I'm making 2 sausages. And y'all, I'm probably gonna cook everything on this. I'm gonna do my meats first. Cause I don't feel like dirtying up all them dishes. Even though I'm gonna wash as I go, I just rather, you know, wash one thing. And I got 2 challenges I'm gonna be doing. One is the Rice Krispie Treat challenge from Rasta Swisher. And then another one is what's the other one? I think it's I forgot what they call it, the quadruple some fish sandwich at McDonald's. Von Crazy Family challenged me. And then the Rasta Swisher, the Rice Krispie Treat, she challenged all YouTubers. So, and if y'all could comment back down below and tell me where I can get that from besides Walmart, because I work at Walmart and I was looking for it and I don't think they sell it. And online it's like $20-some through Walmart, and I ain't paying that for that. So if y'all can comment down below where I can like pull up and go buy. I'm really not trying to order it offline nowhere because I need it like ASAP so I can do this video. I just like to cut the bacon in half. That's how you save it, y'all. You gotta cut it in half. Then let's just take a few pieces out. I don't like this bacon though. Probably should have put that bacon in the freezer because too much is weird. Yes, this is not done, but I like to flip it and flatten it out. I don't like this brand. It looks weird. It's gonna be all the bacon. And then, whew. Okay. So I got this cooking, got my bacon, sausage cooking, and I'm gonna mix up my pancake mix, whip up some eggs. And yeah, you know. Yeah. And once I get all that situated. So now that I have my eggs in here and my pancake batter mixed and my meats are done. It looks good. Now I'm about to whip up my pancakes real quick. That's pretty hot. I left it on there a while ago. Yeah, so stay tuned, y'all. I just gotta butter the bottom of my pan. My little griddle. A little bit of butter. Y'all, this thing is hot. I left it on a while ago. While I was mixing up my stuff. Make sure y'all see it. See everything that's going on. That way if the pancake run, it won't stick. And I got a little bit more butter with the other thing, like a little small one. All right. And y'all see them holes in there? It's them holes. I don't know about y'all, but I know about us. And it's the only way we know how to rock. I don't know about y'all. I don't. Y'all, today is my niece's birthday. I might do a little vloggy vlog. It just depends on who's all there. I don't even know why I'm talking like that. But anyways, like I said, it just depends on who's all there. Might be too many little badass kids. Ooh, yeah, y'all like the flip. Yeah. Don't play with me. Play with your bitch. No, it's fine. But, yeah, this big breakfast over here. While that's going, I guess I can cut up me some strawberries real quick. Cut up some berries. Wash them off real quick. Here are my strawberries. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, y'all thought I was gonna let them mugs burn, huh? I'm gonna pro at these pancakes. That's all I make. I know y'all thought I was gonna let these mugs burn. No, no, no. I'm gonna go to the other side so I can show y'all cut with these strawberries. And if it was more than just me, oh yeah, y'all, I'll be going all out. I'm talking about oatmeal. I'm talking about all out. Anything you want, pancakes, sausage, eggs, bacon, oatmeal, waffles, biscuits, grits. I don't eat grits. Some people eat grits. And I'm done with the strawberries, y'all. Yes, I'm about to do my eggs now. Who is it? Who? What's up? Huh? He's on. Okay, I'll let him. What the fuck? Somebody's knocking on my bad. Ooh, ooh. I just love doing like y'all old lady. Ooh, that's my baby. Got a thick ass. I was funny. Cause I know she probably like, what the fuck? I got the Emmett salt and pepper. Y'all don't forget the little salt and pepper. Just a little bit. Don't take much. I only got 3 eggs. That's all I need. Just a little bit of that. Whip it up real good. And let it do what it do for a minute. See how easy it is to cook these eggs. Yeah. It's pretty much how I like my eggs. It's how my girlfriend likes her eggs. And they pretty much done, y'all. Get a little bit of that brown to it. That golden brown. Y'all look at the mess I made. Let's plate this. Whoops. Let's plate this and I'll show you. I need a little bowl. I'm talking big breakfast. Shoot, I put my thing in the. These are all my eggs. Let me some eggs. And we got the strawberries inside. Oops. I'm talking beef breakfast. Can't forget the drink. Y'all, that's it. Big breakfast. Nice. And that's the end of the video. Before we leave, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Drop down in the comments what y'all want to see. Like I said, I got those challenges coming. Let me know where I can get the Rice Krispie treat sheet from the real big one, y'all. I cannot get it at Walmart. I work there. I don't think they sell it. It's too much online. Yeah, again, before I go, don't like, comment, and subscribe. And let's go.